Hey there, I'm Sam from Antidote Audio and I'm thrilled to introduce to you our latest bass house creation, VORTEX. In under 2 minutes, I'm going to give you a rundown on why VORTEX is set to revolutionize your production game. You see, VORTEX isn't just an average sample pack, it's a meticulously crafted construction kit pack with a laser focus on delivering mind-blowing drops. VORTEX boasts 30 organized folders, each containing a unique construction drop kit. Inside these kits, you'll find a huge variety of mini stems crafted to build the perfect drop, complete with drums, bass lines, and more. Whether you're into heavy hitters, funk, melodic, or just downright weird. One of the beauties of construction kits is their ability to demystify the anatomy of a drop. With VORTEX, you can dissect every element, from the interplay between the drums and the bass, to the art of layering, particularly with background effects. It's not just about using loops, it's about understanding the intricacies of a drop construction. Crafted with 4 on the floor bass house bangers, VORTEX loops can seamlessly be integrated into your own project. But the real magic happens when you start remixing and reimagining. Swap out bass lines, tweak drum patterns, layer in your own sounds. The possibilities are endless. And the best part, whether you're rocking Ableton, FL Studio, Logic, Cubase, Bitwig, or any other DAW, VORTEX audio files are ready to slot into your workflow. So with that being said, if you're ready to elevate your bass house tunes, scroll down, discover more, and secure your copy of VORTEX.